One thing I hate about social media is that people only share their successes. They only show you the good parts. They only show you the things they're good at. They don't show you, usually, what they've screwed up. They don't show you mistakes they've made. They don't show you the failures they've had. They only show you the good side of things. And the good side of things isn't reality. There's a bad side to everything, and people do screw up, people make mistakes, and that's life. However, you don't really see it much. A lot of places hide it, a lot of businesses hide it, a lot of people hide it. They don't show you the mistakes they've had along the way. So one of the things, or at least when I started doing these videos, is I wanted to show people the things I screwed up on too. So many people praise me for everything I've done, mainly, you see the comments on some of the videos on like the older videos, like the how I started video, comments like that. But they don't actually see some of the stuff that I've screwed up on. So in the last year, 2019, I screwed up. I made a big mistake. So this mistake stemmed from helping other people. So how this happens is that somebody will message me or come in and they say, oh, I have, two Windows laptops that I want you to fix. And, there's no rush on these. Only work on them when you're not busy. Or they will send something out of the wall, out of my normal realm of service, and they will tell me it's no rush, just fix it when you're not busy and this and that. And I don't want to turn them away. I want to help them. I legitimately want to help them. In my heart, I want to help them. I want to give them a solution. However, when you accept something that's not in the realm of which you service, you get yourself into a mess. So, lesson learned here for anybody that sees this, never tell a technician no rush. Ever. Never tell a technician no rush. Never tell them only work on it when you're busy, because guess what? If you find a busy repair shop, stuff happens. Um, but anyway, so I want to help these people when they come in, and I will. I will say, okay, I'll take a look at it for you, whatever, because I want to help them. Or I'll get a message, somebody will screw up a PC gaming laptop, and they want to send it to me, and I said, okay, fine, you know what, I'll cave. I'll accept it. And when this happens, here's the thing. I don't want to work on Windows stuff. I personally think it's a pain to work on. Windows laptops are a pain to work on. There's no repair information. They're really hard to take apart a lot of times. They take 10 times longer than MacBooks to disassemble. It's just a mess. I'm not used to it. It's like a doctor working on a dog or something. It's not something in what I usually service. So what happens is this. 5 months, 4 months, and 4 months ago. So this is how long some of these devices were sitting here. 4 months, 5 months, and a couple are still here. So when I see this, it legitimately depresses me, because that right there, I failed. I failed at providing a good service to those people. Those people could have went somewhere else and got better service. And at that, I failed. So when something like this happens, the biggest lie you tell yourself is tomorrow. You have the device in your slot, and you say, okay, I'll get to it tomorrow. You're busy. Tomorrow comes. It's the end of the day. You're getting ready to leave, and you think, oh, shoot, I forgot about it. Another day has passed. It's still not done. Okay, tomorrow morning I'm going to come in here and then knock this out. Then tomorrow morning you come in and you get some letter or something that requires your immediate attention. You have to run across town to the bank or something. Then you come back to work and you realize, okay, this customer just called me. Let me knock this one out. Then you grab the next one in your queue, knock that one out. Then the end of the day comes again. Then you see the two Windows laptops. Then you tell yourself again, tomorrow morning will be the day. Tomorrow morning will be the day that I'll get it. Tomorrow morning you come in, you're exhausted, and you don't even think of them until the end of the day again. You tell yourself tomorrow again. This is the cycle that you get in when you accept devices that are not in the realm of your service. So, what I recommend to you, and what I am doing from now forward with zero exceptions, do not accept anything outside of your realm of service, of what you service, what's inside of your normal service. So this is MacBook repair. I will not work on anything other than a MacBook anymore. I will not work on PC Windows laptops. I will not do virus removals. I will not do any of this other nonsense that people bring to me and want to help. Will people get mad at me? Probably. Yes. Okay, you will come here, you will drive across town thinking that this is a PC repair shop. I have no idea why. It says nowhere on our website anything about PC repair. You will come here, you will get mad at me. You will probably scream. I don't care. I don't service them anymore. I will not service them because this is what happens. So as a business owner, this is probably going to happen to you if you do this too. My advice to you is do not accept anything other than what you service. So the amount of money that you'll make on these laptops is not much. It's, $75 to $100, whatever. It's not worth it. Yes, you need to make money, but it's not worth it. It's not worth what's going to happen when you forget about this, because trust me, you will forget about these. They will be pushed to the back of your queue. And furthermore, when someone says no rush, do it when you're not busy, in your mind, you're going to think, okay, do it when you're not busy. But here's the thing, the consumer does not know how busy you are. And this is something I failed to realize. Okay, you think in your mind, okay, they said when not busy, so no problem. No, what they probably mean is like not busy that day, not in 4 months. You know what I mean? So use your best judgments. Don't accept stuff that you don't normally service. It leads to a mess. By all means, I screwed up here. This is a mistake. When I see this, I feel sick to my stomach because I screwed up. This is a screw up right here. This is a big screw up. This is something that, people could have went somewhere else and got much better service. And for all means, this is a mistake. So from all the times that people chew me out in the videos over something, now's the time. If you want to do it, by all means for this, I deserve it. But in the future, I'm not going to do this anymore. The maximum time now that I'm implementing that something will sit here is 2 weeks. So there's going to be no more of this. There's going to be no more accepting anything other than MacBooks, anything other than because with PC laptops, this stems also from not wanting to do them. I don't want to do them. I do not want to tear down a PC laptop that's not turning on. It's going to have a bad PCH or bad ITE or bad CPU or something. I just don't want to deal with it. It's nonsense. I fix MacBook logic boards. I'm not an expert on them. I don't want to work on them. And from now on, I'm sorry. I have to turn them away. This is both local and I guess nobody really comes. Only a few people have offered to send me Windows laptops from YouTube, but mainly local stuff. No more. And for all you that are doing this, I know there's going to be some other business owners that are doing this. They're in a similar situation. Clear them out. Take a day. Take a full day. Clear them out. You'll feel a ton better. Yeah, trust me. You will feel a ton better getting those old devices out. And with that being said, just learn from this video. Learn from my mistake and run your business successfully. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you.